Good day, Sir Velarde. For today's video, I will going to discuss about the reproductive system. So, the reproductive system has multiple functions in animals. The most important one is the production of gametes. Haploid cells specialize in the transmissions of the genetic information. Male gametes are the sperm Male gametes are the spermatozoids and the female gametes are the oocytes. The fusions of one spermatozoids and one oocytes result in the diploid cells, known as the zygote. One zygote divides and gives rise many cells lineages that after differentiation from a complete new organism. The reproductive system is morphologically different in males compared to females. The different arrays very early during the embryo development. Building male or female reproductive structures will later determine for morphological features of the adult animal, mainly the sexual secondary features like muscles development, bone structures, body hair, mammal structures, fat distributions, behavior, etc. etc. This is the so-called sexual dimorphism. Being a male or a female is mostly determined by sexual chromosomes. In humans, XX sexual chromosomes give female morphology and XY chromosomes gave male morphology. However, in other vertebrates like reptiles and fish, environment variables like temperature mainly determine the sex of the animals. Some fish species may behave as hermaphrodites, so they can produce male and female gametes. Types of the reproduction. There are two major parts of reproductions, the sexual and the asexual. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction requires two parents. Each parent contributes a gamete, a sex cell that has half of the normal DNA of a regular body cell. In males, the gametes are sperm, and in the females, the gametes are eggs. When those two gametes combine during the fertilization, the result is the zygote, which then continues to develop into an embryo. Asexual reproduction requires only one parent. There are many types of asexual reproduction. Four major types are the first is the binary fission. Single parent cell doubles its DNA, then divides into two cells. Usually occurs in the bacteria. The second one is budding. Small growth on surface of parent breaks off, resulting in the formation of two individuals. Occurs in yeast and some animals like Hydra bello. The third one is fragmentation. Organism breaks into two or more fragments that develop into a new individual. Occurs in many plants, as well as some animals like coral, sponge, and starfish. The fourth one is parthenogenesis. An embryo develops from the unfertilized cells. Occurs in the invertebrates, as well as in some fish, amphibians, and the reptiles. So that's all for the reproductive system, sir. Thank you and God bless.